Opening an Uber e-driver account in Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to open Uber Eats driver accounts in Australia. So first open your browser and search for Uber Eats driver application process in Australia. Then scroll down and click on becoming a delivery driver using Uber Eats. Here you will get to see complete details about it, prepare required documents which typically include a valid driver's license, proof of vehicle registration, vehicle insurance documents, and your bank account details for payments. Make sure you are eligible for it and follow the criteria. Once you are done, go to the top and click on Get Started, then continue by adding your phone number and Gmail address or selecting your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Once done, go ahead and complete your application process. That's all. That's how you can open Uber Eats driver account in Australia. That's all.